Good morning from Steph's Kitchen Adventures. Putting together breakfast and lunch and a little mid-morning snack as well. Mid-morning snack and breakfast are the same: overnight oats soaked in some yogurt and water mixture with some seeds, chia seeds, golden linseeds and sesame seeds. I've also added some peanut butter and a little maple syrup. So those have been soaking overnight. I've got a little box for work and a bowl for here. And I'll just give an example to the bowl, lovely Nigel Brett bowl. Adding some kiwi fruit that I've chopped here. I'm adding some banana. I've got chopped here. I'm going to put the rest of the kiwi and banana in with my lunch bowl. That is pretty much what that looks like. I'll dollop some yogurt on the top perhaps. Then moving to Lunchbox, I've got here my empty box and I'm going to put in here a piece of salmon, which I cooked yesterday. I'm just breaking it into pieces. I've got some lovely skin here. And I've saved some for tomorrow as well. So there we go. I've crumbled some lovely salmon into there. Because I've got some skin in here, I'm just going to cut the skin up. It's got some nice salmon meat attached as well. It's obviously not going to be quite as crispy because it's cold, but I don't mind that. Break up the rest of the salmon into more flakes. So don't buy salmon already cooked. Do just cook it and keep them in the freezer in pieces, and then you can just cook it up and use it when you need it. I've got a couple of hard-boiled eggs here. I'm putting those in with the salmon, so it's quite a high-protein lunch. I've got some lovely tomatoes. I'm going to wait and add those after I've added some leaves here. I've got some rocket and baby leaf salad I'm going to put in there, which is rather wonderful. Green and red leaves. And put these tomatoes on top here of the lettuce, not lettuce, but greens. And then I'm going to add some roast veg that I cooked on Saturday, roast red pepper and fennel with a little bit of red onion and tomato as well. Put some of that in there, and a little bit of this lovely oil that came with it. So that's fennel. There's also some pine nuts in there. Save some of that for tomorrow. I've got some tubs here of, this one's an olive oil hummus. Not homemade, but sometimes you just need to do what's convenient. And some lovely guacamole as well, which I'm going to add into here, sort of in place of a dressing. Just dollop some of that on top. And that will be rather marvellous. Quick and easy lunch. Been a busy weekend, so just need to do something that's easily done, easily compiled. There's my hummus, my guacamole, my lovely rocket and baby leaf salad, hard-boiled eggs, salmon, tomatoes and roast veg. That's my lunchbox for today. So totally covered in hummus, and that's all good. So thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Cheerio.